Okay, so since you have already created a backup of your SilVerTek system data, now for installing a new version of your SilVerTek, you need to uninstall first SilVerTek. So here you need to close SilVerTek, click on the X button to close, and then you have to go to control panel. So type in control panel to show this icon. Click on the icon to open control panel, and then click on program files or program and features. So click this one to show all the programs that is currently installed on your computer or laptop, and then click try to find SilVerTek because that's the one we need to uninstall. So here I see SilVerTek version 30.01. So uninstalling this for the reason that we have a new updated version which is 30.02, and also 30.01 is a beta version. So right click on this, select this, and then right click and then click on uninstall. So it will ask you, are you sure you want to uninstall SilVerTek? Click on OK. Wait until the program has been uninstalled. And now, as you can see, the SilVerTek has gone. That means it has been already uninstalled. Close this window, and then as you can see, the icon SilVerTek is already deleted. So that's it.